This is a makeup tutorial for beginners. I'm going to show you a quick way to do brows for beginners. So what I'm doing right now is drawing a line up to the arch and bringing it down to create the tail. So basically what I did is the bottom part, I went up and then I began the little arch. Now I'm up on the top. I'm going to connect the top line to the arch that's also connected to the tail. So now we're going to do the bottom line. Bring it over, and connect it to the tail. Okay. You see how the tail was created? That's so important. And the more that you do this technique, then you'll be able to flex it the way that you want to. So now we're going to begin the process of shading it in. We're going to shade it in. It should be dark on the tail, and then it should begin to get lighter at the beginning of the brow. So shade it in, shade it in. And then once you start getting closer to the beginning of the brow, we're going to shade it in to make it look natural and neat and not boxy. We don't want boxy brows. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer and we're going to clean up everything. So if you made any mistakes or anything, this is an opportunity to clean it all up with your concealer. So I'm going to take my brush, and at this time I'm going to go right under the brow and finesse that brow as much as I possibly can. The brows are so important to your look, so you have to take your time and make sure that your brows look right. But I tell you, if you use this method, you'll be fine. So we're going to go ahead and blend all of this concealer in at the bottom. Fade in right here at the beginning of the brow. Also making sure that that point right there on the brow is nice and precise. As I said, this is the frame of your face. So you need to make sure that your brows are on point. So I'm going over the top, making sure everything is aligned properly. I'm going to blend in that concealer. And this is the easiest way for beginners to do their brows. See how pretty that is? There you go.